video going over my experience working with Sean from Project 83. To put it simply, when I was in a position of bringing on a digital marketing agency to help us with our Google Ads side of things, I was topping on a bunch of calls. I was speaking to a lot of agencies, and I wasn't too convinced by the strategies they were putting forward and exactly how they bring ROI to the business. But when I sat down with Sean and the way he kind of broke things down so simply and walked me through how the first month would go, second month would go, third month, and then from there, and actually seeing it happen was, well, just proof that I kind of invested into the right guy and the right agency. We have our calls once a month, and when we hop on a call, he breaks down exactly what happened in the last month, what went well, what didn't go well, and then put clear actions and clear plans in place to help us get to the next level in the month afterwards. This video is just more of a big thank you to you, Sean, and just a big thank you to Project 83. And for anyone who's maybe on the fence about thinking about whether to bring someone on or whether to bring Sean on or whatever, I would say go for it. I've never had a smoother experience with an agency, especially on the Google Ads side of things, especially when things fluctuate up and down. He's been so consistent in what he does, and he's brought ROIs that have been crazy. Like, for example, bringing a 41 conversion rate on one of our pages, and that brought in a ton of leads this past November is the things that, honestly, every single month I just come on and it's just new gains, bigger gains. And I just hope that we keep growing, we keep getting better. And just a big thank you, Sean. And I hope we go to new strides and new leaps working together. So thank you.